Hello YouTube. This is my good friend Vitalik, and I just gave him a haircut, and we're gonna have a straight razor shaving tutorial plus blow drying styling the hair and do touch-ups and maybe more. So here, see, I put the towel for shaving on him. Now I'm grabbing the soap. We're gonna put the soap on him. Grabbing soap. Soap is very important. And there's another important thing about soap I'm going to tell you in 30 seconds. So see, we're putting on soap. This good person in my chair. So we put soap on him. Now I'm going to get the straight razor and put a new blade. A new blade, very important. Sanitation, you know. Because if you shave someone else with the blade, it's nasty. So here, I'm putting the blade on. Now I'm putting it in barbicide. It's a bacterial and viral disinfectant. So it kills everything. Very clean razor right now. So now, very important. This is very important when you're shaving anybody with any kind of razor, straight razor. When you put the soap on, before you shave, you have to take the soap off and see what's on the skin because people can have moles like little bumps, pimples. I cut off a few pimples before. But pimples not a big deal. But if you cut off a mole, it's big problem. Big problem. So here we're shaving him with straight razor. Took the leather off, the soap leather off to check, to see what the skin looks like, and we're shaving. Shaving. You're gonna see better view in a minute. And next videos we're gonna have better view. We're learning, as we go. The view is gonna be good for you. Just keep watching. Subscribe to the channel, please. Merry Christmas 2019. See, we're shaving the line. This is the back line up, and we're shaving a straight line down. This is classic look. Very good look. And don't cut into your client's hairlines, please. This is very important. Do not cut in hairlines. So for this gentleman, we're doing a square back. This is I was reading a barber book recently, and in the book it says the square lineup with sharp angles, no circles, is very manly. It's like manly. This is, young guy, he 35 years old. He needs to look manly, like with square lineup. Sometimes older people come in, or some people, it's better to do a circle in the back. And that's fine. That's fine, but I would still make it as square as possible. Circle. Looks good. Looks good. And straight down, from the ear straight down. We don't cut into people's hairlines. And you see it looks good in the video. Lineup looks good, straight razor. Make sure to be gentle with the straight razor. Now I have a better straight razor than I'm using in the video. This is kind of wooden straight razor. Not even wooden, maybe plastic. Kind of wood looking. But now I have the aluminum from my dad. I started using that straight razor. It's like next level stuff. Good stuff. More gentle. Kind of the way it's made, it suppresses the shave. kind of like a impact shock, the razor. Very good razor. I'll show you in next video, just keep watching. And we still have good stuff to tell you. Just keep watching, please. You're gonna learn some things from this: how to use a blow dryer with the comb, how to style your client, hot towel, brushing. So shaving the other line, like a little bit around the ear. Just be careful around the ear, it's a very sensitive area. Okay, so we're done shaving. Done shaving, grabbing the blow dryer, take the towel off, see? No, you don't have to take the towel, you just put the stuff. Put the cape back on. Or here even, I'm gonna have some cutting done. See, I grab, I'm doing the taper in the back. Taper in the back. And the edges. Edges you wanna hit with like a lower number. Just a little bit lower number. Like for example, if this is a fade in this video, this is a fade haircut. And so you have to have a fade. So for example, I did 1.5 on the bottom on him, metal guards. This is Andis metal guards. 1.5, 2. Metal guards are the best. And next best thing, probably wall clipper. But metal guards are the best. For fades, any kind of fade, there's no lines to get out most of the time. Sometimes you have to get a little line out. But overall, there is no line. And here we're fading out the edges. Fading out the edges is very good. Like it makes the haircut, like every haircut is a fade when you're fading out the edges. But don't do too close. Some people, they don't have much hair. You don't want to fade it out too much. But this guy has hair, good hair, and this is a nice fade as you can tell. And after this, we're gonna style. I recommend always style your client. Some people don't style their clients. It's okay. But we do. And we're gonna keep doing it. Just for your own good. But we love people that don't even style their clients. You know. Let's see, we're showing them the back lineup. See? Okay. So the back lineup. Vitalik, this is good guy. I know him since I was 11 and he was 17. See, he's like, why didn't you cut into my hairline more? And I said, no, because like it'll look good now if I cut into it more like that. It'll look nice right now, but in 2 days it's gonna look bad because your hairline is gonna grow back and it'll look terrible. But right now we have the classic look, square in the back. Didn't cut into the hairline too much. We cut off the extra hairs. Don't get me wrong, we lined it up. But you do not cut into the hairline. See, now styling, blow drying with the brush. This is Bazi brush. This is my dad's favorite brush, and I inherited it, and I'm using it in this haircut. So blow drying. My mom got me this blow dryer when I became a barber, so I'm excited. This is my fan. And I'm blow drying it with it. It's very powerful blow dryer. It's very important. See, this is a fade comb over at the top a little bit because my client wanted to have more hair at the top, and we faded it everywhere else and blended it into the top excellent. This is called the top up, the front up. See, I'm like grabbing his hair and I'm pulling it forward. And then brushing it back. It's very important. If you want the hair to stand up, you pull the hair towards you with the blow dryer, blowing at the hair, With the brush, you're pulling the hair forward, and then you brush it back, and you keep repeating the step. And you can do the front like that. Front is important, and you can do the side of the comb over like that also. So right now, when you blow dry the hair, it's gonna look different from when the client sat in your chair, or when you combed it up, or when you wetted the hair and styled it. When you blow dry the hair, it's gonna look a little different, tiny little bit different. You're gonna see your little mistakes, or it's not really mistakes, but it's just the hair's in a different form, and you see what you have to do to get your client where you want it to be. Because you want your client to have a good haircut no matter what shape your client's head is in. If it's wet or dry, you want it to look good. So this is what we're doing. We're cutting the hair in different forms. When you're clippering, you want the hair dry. When you're cutting with scissors, you want the hair wet. First of all, the hair wet, it saves your scissors because it's not as hard. Wet hair cuts much easily than dry hair. And then plus for me, when I wet the hair, I see what I have to cut more. Like I see what's dense more, like it points out what I have to cut to me when it's wet. Just for me. Now I'm combing the client's hair after blow drying it. We can put gel on it, or if they don't want gel, I just put plain water on the comb, on the wide tooth comb. It gives the client kind of like waves, and you comb it nice. Here looks like this would be thinning shears, and I'm thinning out parts that look heavy to me after blow drying it, because the haircut is done. You're just thinning out the heavy parts. Now we're combing the hair again. This is Miss Tammy. She just came into work. Oh, good barber, good barber. Yep, yep. And then now we cutting. And this my very good client, this good person. We're gonna show you, Vitalik. See? Peace, peace. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked the video, and Merry Christmas. See, now we're gonna do hot towel for him, but it's a very hot towel. So we're gonna spin so you can see the back view of the haircut. And again, later we're gonna have better views at this stuff. Yeah. But this is how it is. See, we're gonna put the hot towel on him. That feels good. The hot towel feels very good. It makes you kind of sleepy even. Just relaxed. Takes the stress off the person in a way. Sometimes. And then you clean the hair off the person with the hot towel. It's a little bit wet so you can get the hair off your client from cutting hair. There's hair on the client. So this is important. Now what are we doing? We're combing it back up. I just try, I'm doing a lot of stuff in this video. But you have to try. You have to do your best. Uh-oh, my brush. This is my dad's brush. Very beautiful brush. It's just not too big. Only bigger than the head. See? Very nice brush. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. My client, see? Good friend. We're going to check out. We're going to check out. Yep, we're checking out. We're still checking out. See people in the background. They're doing haircuts also. Also, this is the first person you see is Tammy and then Jimmy. Good people. Good people. Cutting hair. Doing a great job. Amazing job. And we cut hair also. If you want to learn more about hair cutting, please check out more of my videos. We have even other videos also. But we're going to have more hair cutting videos, more detailed, more on point than this. We appreciate you. And we always love our viewers. Please subscribe and like the video if you like. Even if you don't like it, you can still like it. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye-bye.